Welcome back to Hickman's Home Cooking. We're going to do a quick video this time of how to do a sherry wine reduction. Add some sherry wine. Depends on how much you want your final product to be, will be how much you add here. Some black peppercorn. Some coriander seeds. Some sugar. And a splash of red wine vinegar. Give that a stir around to get that all nice and blended and bring to a quick boil and let that reduce. I made enough for about 3 tablespoons here is what I was going for. Next you want to get a little container and a fine mesh strainer and simply strain through the fine mesh to filter out all of the seeds and the peppercorns. You should be left with a very semi-thick sherry wine reduction. I like to put mine into a little squeeze bottle so I get a little funnel, and I just pour that directly in because a little goes a long way with this reduction, and you are ready to squirt on your delicious food.